Want to give your Ford Ranger a bold new look and make climbing easier than ever? Whether you're hitting the trails or just stepping up in style, these are the best running boards that'll take your truck to the next level. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 5, the YZONA running boards are a perfect blend of rugged functionality and sleek design for your Ford Ranger Super Crew cab. With a unique two-stairs layout, these boards are tailor-made for lifted trucks and oversized tires, making both cabin and roof access a breeze. The 6-inch leaf-shaped step pads not only look sharp but offer solid footing thanks to precision laser-cut traction surfaces. Built from heavy-duty 2mm carbon steel and finished in a durable black powder coat, each side can support up to 550 pounds while standing up to rust and corrosion. Installation is a hassle-free bolt-on process that takes just about 20 minutes with no drilling required. Drivers love how solid and sharp these boards look on their Rangers, proving that quality, strength, and style don't have to break the bank. At number 4, the Climwa running boards offer an ideal mix of affordability, strength, and style for your Ford Ranger Super Crew cab. These 6-inch wide steps are built from heavy-duty carbon steel with anti-slip plastic surfaces, giving you secure footing and a rugged look that stands out. What sets them apart is the patented slider design, allowing you to adjust the position forward or backward for a custom fit. Installation is a breeze with a simple bolt-on setup, no drilling, no cutting, just straightforward mounting that even non-mechanics can handle in about an hour. Users love the clean finish, solid construction, and unbeatable value, making these boards a smart upgrade for any Ranger owner. Taking the number 3 spot, the TAC Running Boards bring rugged reliability and sleek styling to your 2019 to 2023 Ford Ranger Super Crew cab. Crafted from heavy-duty 2mm carbon steel and finished with e-coating plus a fine-texture powder coat, these boards are built to resist rust and support over 500 pounds per side. The unique pentagonal main tube design and molded step pads offer a secure 4-inch drop and 5-inch wide stepping surface, making access easier and safer, especially for shorter passengers. Installation is quick and easy, saving you a trip to the shop while still delivering that premium look. Users rave about the solid build, great appearance, and the fact that even their families now find climbing in a breeze. For strength, style, and value, TAC delivers. At number 2, the APS Running Boards deliver a clean, modern look with rock-solid functionality for your 2019 to 2023 Ford Ranger Super Crew cab. Built from high-grade 304 stainless steel and finished in a sleek black powder coat with triple-layer protection, these boards combine style and durability like few others. The 5-inch wide anti-slip step pad runs the full length of the board, giving you and your passengers a safe, comfortable step every time. With integrated end caps for a seamless design and a 500-pound weight capacity, these boards are as tough as they are polished. Installation is straightforward, and users love how they elevate the look of their Ranger while saving big on dealer costs. For premium style without the premium price tag, APS nails it. And topping our list at number 1, the Tyger Auto Running Boards are the ultimate upgrade for your 2019 to 2023 Ford Ranger Super Crew cab. With a bold oval tube design and a generous 3.5-inch wide non-slip step pad, these Nerf bars deliver unmatched stability and style. The heavy-duty, full-body e-coated powder finish not only repels dirt and water but also provides top-tier rust and corrosion protection, while keeping that rugged, off-road look intact. Installation is a breeze with crystal-clear instructions, and users rave about the flawless fit, solid construction, and how the finish complements the Ranger's design. Affordable, sturdy, and stylish, the Tyger Auto Boards are everything you want in a running board, and more.